Is your team prepared for the unexpected? Your star developer is suddenly out of action. So let's discuss how to build a resilient project team. So imagine this scenario. Your star developer, the one who knows the code base inside out, suddenly quits. So what do? Panic? You need a proactive approach. The key to ensuring project continuity is knowledge sharing, effective documentation, and feedback. When it comes to knowledge sharing, there are at least 3 things you can do. First one, peer programming, is where you encourage your team members to work together, sharing knowledge and insights. Cross-training is the second. Train your team members in multiple areas to increase their versatility. And finally, mentorship. Establish mentorship programs to guide junior team members and share expertise. When it comes to clear documentation, have clear, concise project overviews that outline goals, timelines, and dependencies. Maintain up-to-date technical documentation, including code comments, architecture diagrams, and process flows. Create a comprehensive onboarding guide for new team members to quickly get up to speed. And finally, we have regular reviews and feedback. Conduct regular performance reviews to identify strengths, weaknesses, and development areas. Learn from past projects and identify areas for improvements. Have regular one-on-one meetings with team members to discuss their work, challenges, and career goals. So by implementing these strategies, you will build a resilient team that can adapt to changes and ensure the continued success of your project. Remember, a well-prepared team is a resilient team. Thank you for watching.